Okay, next we are going to look at some medical history for our patient. So when it pulls up the medical history, the first thing you'll see is some past medical, and you'll see a bunch of buttons at the right-hand side. This just allows you to view initially, but if you click on the word past medical, you can make some changes, and then there'll be two buttons at the bottom. Cancel out of what you're doing, and it'll only revert to the original changes, or add past medical, in which case it will go through and save the patient history. You can look up family history, and family history has lots of different options. Again, this one note, just to add it versus cancel, is up here at the top. When you go to social history, you will see a lot of boxes here. So these will be things like other, and you may want to write something. These little dark boxes, okay, allow you to enter things into it, okay? Just so you're aware. So for example, if they indicate they use alcohol, yes, right, you're going to click on the yes button here. Then you might put types of drinks, so maybe it's a beer, right? Could be, you know, often, right, 2 times per day, 2 times per week. You would add an update with the 2 buttons over here. All right, for surgical medication and allergies, it's a little bit different. So you can't just simply click in here and try to add a surgery. You need to actually click this button that says add a surgery, and you're going to get this pop-up box. There are 4 options here. If I can spell, ignore my spelling. I'm just trying to keep this video relatively short. Okay, you can either exit out of this, or you can add the surgery, and you'll see it on this list. You can keep adding surgeries that way until you're done, or if you select the surgery and you maybe made a mistake, you need to make sure that this surgery is highlighted. And in fact, your cursor should be in the body part area, and then you would click delete surgery. You could get no, nothing has been removed, or you're going to delete and it will take that surgery out. You could simply then add back in the correct surgery. Same with medications. You need to add a medication. I don't know why this didn't clear out, but I can make sure we do that. So we can add a medication here, right? You can continue to add some more. If you did not want this, you would simply go in and delete out, right, the add a medication, and it would take it out of your list. Okay, and then last but not least, we're going to move on to some allergies. So again, here it's going to default to the no allergies. You can click I have no allergies. Okay, so as we click on allergies, it will take us over to our allergy section. You can add an allergy the same way. You can delete an allergy the same way as we looked at, and you can click the I have no allergies button, right? But it'll default to the no allergies. Okay, so that is the past medical portion, and at any time you can simply return right to the home screen.